Alright, so if you want a two-way communication on your Xiaomi C700 Smart Camera, this guide will show you how to enable it, where you can turn it on and start talking through the camera in real time. So let's say someone is at your door where the Xiaomi camera is placed and you want to just talk to them through the camera. So just go ahead, open the Xiaomi Home app, go to the live feed section, and simply tap on this tiny microphone button at the far left corner. Hey, what's up, man? It'll automatically turn on the speaker as well, from which you can hear what they are talking to the camera. And also, since the microphone is enabled, they will be able to hear you right on the camera. Just when you're done, just tap on it and turn off the mic. That's it. Now, just in case if there's no person, you just want to hear the surrounding live feed sound, keep the mic turned off, and then slightly tap on the screen, and from here, tap on the sound icon to unmute it. You'll be able to hear all the sound from the other side of the camera. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.